feel a little dizzy. I can't go any further. My wheels won't let me.
Then I'll be back, Thomas. I promise, but I must find Grandpa.
It's getting windy up here.
Where's Grandpa? Can you take me to him?
Jump up.
How'd you know he can't run?